Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got some cruise news for you today, and we're going to start off with the fact, have you ever wanted to own a cruise ship? Well, if you have, this is going to be your chance. So, two of Crystal Cruises cruise ships, the Crystal Symphony and the Crystal Serenity, both of them are going up for auction next month, and the winning bid will be announced on June the 14th. So like I said, if you ever wanted to buy a cruise ship, which I realize is completely unrealistic for all of us, but hey, there it is, just in case you got a few $1,000,000 in your pocket and you want to buy a Crystal Cruise Lines cruise ship. And we have some cancellations from Norwegian Cruise Lines. Actually, we have an entire season being canceled by Norwegian Cruise Lines for any sailings over in Asia. So sailings on the Norwegian Sun from October 11th, 2022 through April 25th of 2023, sailing out of Asia, have all been completely canceled, and instead the Norwegian Sun is going to reposition and sail from Europe for the winter and summer season. Now, this change, of course, is being made to uncertainty in the Asian market. We have seen several cruise lines cancel cruises in the Asian market due to rising COVID cases, and very rapidly changing COVID protocols has made cruising over there pretty difficult for the cruise lines. It's kind of hard for them to get started and get going with things changing so rapidly. And Norwegian put out a statement. I'm going to put a little bit of that up for you here now. It says, given challenging and inconsistent local travel restrictions related to the public health environment in Asia, we have made the decision to reposition the Norwegian Sun from Asia to Europe. So if you happen to have been booked on the Norwegian Sun during that time period, you should have already received an email letting you know of these cancellations and any compensation that Norwegian is offering for this change. So now we're going to jump over to Carnival Cruise Lines and the Carnival Sunrise. Well, she has completed her maintenance dry dock and is now headed back to Miami to resume sailing. Now, not a whole lot of details were released on what was done during the dry dock. Speculated it was some maintenance, a little bit of refurbishment, some behind the scenes things were done on board the cruise ship, and of course she received the new paint job, so now she's going to be the red, white, and blue that we see on the Carnival Mardi Gras and several other Carnival cruise ships as that continues to spread throughout the fleet. So if you have a cruise booked on the Carnival Sunrise, well, she is on her way back as we speak. And finally, we have some changes to both the Carnival Miracle and the Carnival Radiance sailings in October and November. We got some changes and we have some cancellations. And these changes are due to the Carnival Miracle. Well, she's going to be heading in for a dry dock as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put these changes up here on the screen for you guys. All right, so the Radiance on October the 14th, 2022, now that is shortened to a 2-day. The Carnival Miracle, October the 16th, 2022, that sailing has been moved to the Carnival Radiance. The Carnival Miracle sailing on October the 30th, 2022, has been moved to the Radiance. 5-day on October the 30th, 2022, Radiance. October the 31st, 2022. That kind of part in there, I'm not real sure what they're trying to say right here. That is a little bit confusing. The Carnival Miracle, November the 13th, 2022, has been moved to the Radiance. A 4-day on November the 14th, 2022. And the Carnival Radiance, October the 17th through October the 28th. That one has been canceled. And the Carnival Miracle, November the 3rd and November the 8th, 2022, that has been canceled. So some of the Carnival Miracle sailings are going to be moved to the Carnival Radiance. It looks like some of the cruises have been shortened, and we have some cruise cancellations due to this maintenance schedule as well. So anybody that has been affected by these changes, you should have already received the email notifying you of the changes and what your options are due to these changes. But if you are booked and you haven't taken a look, definitely go over, look at your email. That way you can see what your options are or what changes have been made to your upcoming cruise. And that's going to be our cruise news for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.